Sus, hindi ka naman
Signal.
light kasi.
Bye-bye, Cusco.
Bye-bye.
See you next month. Next month ba?
Hindi, next month.
Kasya ba yung
Hindi, next month. Next week.
next week?
Joking lang. Joking lang.
Bilis na po next week.
See you.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Basing na. Basing.
This one is
Basing. Ha? Bol? Boss?
Tulog siya ulit?
Gusto ko ang ice cream. Gusto ko ang ice cream sa Costco.
Ice cream? Nagkain kayo ice cream?
Oh, ice cream.
Hindi mo na ako nakakain ice cream ha?
Hindi ka nagkuhan.
Hindi ko nga kasi kumukuha din.
Yung blueberry?
Oo, may mix siya.
Ah, may mix. Ah, yung pinakita niya sa akin pala. Ice cream pala yun.
Oo.
Oh,
Parang tunaw.
Oo. Siyempre, hindi masyadong
Mm,
pero nahihirapan naman siyang kumuha.
sabi,
Matigas.
matigas masyado.
Oo.
sabi ni baby, gusto ko din ice cream.
Ice cream gusto niya.
But baby, ice cream is just milk.
Sa Big Boss. Big Boss.
Ampos, ampoy. Ampay, ampoy, ampoy.
Big Boss.
Bus.
Big Boss. Big Boss.
Bus.
Ganda ng ano kaya yun? May parang steak.
Saan?
Yun yung white. May tuktok na ano.
Ano ba?
Building ko eh.
Yan ang white. Yan ang light. Sa Red Rock. Yan ang light. Para pag meron rubber. Pwede mo flex this. Ha!
Maraming kutsing yun, no?
Uwi na. Alas 4 tayo. Alas 3 hanggang alas 5. Para dyan. Pero madami tao ngayon sa Costco, no?
Dami. Kabulbul nga tayo doon.
Oo, yung...
Kanina nasa gitna ako eh. Nag-stack up.
Ah...
May matanda kasi nakaano. Nagdito kasi may kinuha ba. Stack up lahat eh.
Ay, si baby, si baby, si baby.
Si Baby Boss namin. Ayan, si Baby Boss. Baby Boss. Hello. Hello subscribers. Yan si Baby Boss. Tahimik lang. Very good siya. Na-sleep siya kanina sa Costco. Na.
Dalawang beses.
Nag-milk lang siya, 1 ounce.
Look at this face. Parang son.
Sad ka, baby? Baby Boss, sad?
Oh, it's
Hindi man, hindi man siya sad.
cute.
Cute lang siya, pa-cute.
Something happened.
Why?
Kasi pag sunlight si baby, ang eyes niya parang green.
Green?
Oh,
American siya. American pag green. Nasa Amerika man siya. Dito man siya pinanganak. Green na yung mata niya. Ala, towing. Bangga. Bangga man.
May ano pala dyan kanina.
Towing siya.
Pero tos mo na masyadong kalas-kalas yung sa kabila yung meron, no?
Sa kabila, malalaking truck siguro yan. Pumatok. Talsik bumper. Malaking sasakyan yun. At sinik pala tong gulong lahat.
Oo.
Ano daw, very good.
Oo.
Pero wala, hindi sila nag-change.
Change oil lang. Change oil filter.
Change oil lang, yung gulong hindi. Mahal kaya yung gulong. Kano kaya yung gulong?
Baby.
No? Baby na? American. Barrett, American. Siya po si Barrett. Sadya. Kasi hindi pa siya nag-milk. 2 hours na.
Gusto niyang socks niya.
Socks? Yeah, gusto. Nag-socks mo siya. Ayan si Monkey. Si Panda. Sino yun?
Lion.
Si King Lion.
Roar.
Tapos si King Elephant. Ayan, si King Elephant.
Elefanta. It's called
Elefanta.
It's called
Elefanta.
elefante.
Elefante. Very good talaga sa Las Vegas, ah. Yung mountain nasa gilid lang. Sa gilid yung mga
Grabe
mountain.
yung sa kabila pa yun.
Ha? Traffic ko? Kabila, tingnan mo sa kabila.
Right,
Traffic.
dito na sa atin, no? Tingnan mo, dahil.
Sabi yung sasakyan ngayon. Traffic. Ha? Las Vegas, Nevada. Mas okay na siguro to dito kasi sa ibang city. Sa California, mga traffic din eh. Barrett na? Nakikita mo sa news. Traffic. Very good. Uwian na. Dami sasakyan. Dami na. traffic nga. Yun sa kabila, traffic din.
Grabe. Nangyari.
Traffic ang kalsada ngayon.
Tuesday naman.
Tuesday. Din dito. Dami na tao sa Las Vegas.
Sabi ni baby.
Traffic na. Tuesday.
Pangit pala Tuesday. Pero dati di ba nag-Tuesday man tayo? Di ba ganito?
It is the twisty turn.
Iba-iba man.
Tuesday.
It's the twisters on Tuesday.
Traffic. Tuesday.
Twister on Tuesday.
Yan. Malapit na.
We're here. Welcome to the Wyatt.
Yeah.
Welcome to Tabayan.
Here. Yeah.
Busog na sa kusko. Tingnan mo yung mukha.
Woohoo. Time to go home.
Kalbo. Gusto na dyan kalapati kasi nakita na yung bird dyan.
Tapos na?
Mm.
Hello, we're back, and we're going to get our food. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Here's Daddy putting the mat. Then I can hop in.
Go.
Wait, like chinelas ako.
Chinilas.
Here are our shoes, and here's my chinelas. No,
Yung isa.
ay, this one.
Yung binidyo si daddy si Wagon.
Okay.
Binidyo mo man si daddy.
Wow,
Yung wild wagon.
that.
Naka yung kaway mo, oh. Paano mabibidyo? Nakatagal na gano'n, no?
Daddy, ikaw mag-hold. Hindi ako. We're going out. Brum, 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 brum. Whee! Here's our beautiful, beautiful pool. And here's our driver, Daddy. You say hello?
Hello.
And hello viewers, Timbro Bruce. And look,
Bye-bye.
it's almost spring and there's flowers.
Thank you subscribers.
Thank you subscribers for 395 subscribers. Woo! Or 405 right now, I don't know. There's Daddy and his signature shirt that says Omila 13. And all of our birthdays are odd numbers, like Pirate 5, Mommy 11, Daddy 13, ako 19. Woo! And we're going to Blue Lightning. And Daddy's turning and turning and making it a fun ride. And stop muna.
Good.
Thank you. Here is my ticket.
Tick.
Yeah. Wait. Yay! Surfing ako. Let's go. I am Daddy's buddy. A video buddy. And here is our food. So much food. Start off with the water. Water first. Here is our water. Lagay mo dito. There's some other water dito. And I can sit on the water. A feet. I stand off that. Sorry guys if you can see the road. It's so very That is beautiful, guys. Look. Wait, zoom in. Look. That is beautiful. The sky is beautiful, and these are beautiful. Okay, let's get back. And here's our mover furniture. I don't know what the name, but here he is. Daddy, look, meron bird.
Saan?
Meron bird.
Kalapati.
Wala na. Bird. That's pretty cool. And here's my magic spoon. Can I eat that now? I want magic spoonie. Hawak ko. And this magic spoon is free, guys. Look. Pasko. Pasko. And we're back, guys. And you guys can see my hair, but that's okay. And 3, 2, 1, cart ride starts now. This is fun. Here is our driver of the cart, Daddy. It's getting a back turn. This is the scary part when you're on the rail. So it's wiggly. You guys can see my head shaking. Woo! Dumbity 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 doo. Dumbity dumbity doo. Dumbity dumbity doo. Okay. Oh, we're passing down the jungle tunnel. Oh, and here is our beautiful pool. Let me just that worked. Okay. Here it is. It might look dark, but it's fine. It's fine. And you can see our apartment, the houses. Let's go. Whee. And you guys can see our beautiful rocks. They make it beautiful. And here's our house where we're living. And yeah. And our pizza. We have pizza. Whoa. Good. And that's the end of our tour. And now, and nothing. Let me just get out. Here's our house. And Daddy, and bye.
Bye.
And happy Earth Day.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for the it must be 405 subscribers now, but I haven't checked.
Yeah.
But if it's 405 subscribers or 395 subscribers, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.